The battery locomotive is lowered into the tunnels at night for work strains. Its day is spent in recharging the batteries for the night's work. The loco was built in 1927, 9 years before the rest of the subway was electrified. It's still going strong and proves invaluable with its ability to operate in the tunnels without any external power source. When the trains stop running for the day, the tunnels come alive with activity. While the city and the station sleep, maintenance gangs take over to repair the 4-foot permanent way and the line-side equipment. This is the welding squad and a packing squad, replacing a broken rail and welding a new one in its place.
What against your end now? Do your end on. Right. Starboard. Left on the other hill. You ready? Left. Right, you ready? Left. Ready, boys? Left. Again. Left. Straight. Right. Left. Up to me. Yeah, I'm gonna. Up the hole. Okay, then. Straight. Forward. No. Okay. No, this way, Archie. Hey.
Elsewhere in the tunnels, another squad is packing the ballast under the sleepers to keep the track level and in position to provide a smoother and safer ride for the trains. This pair of men will pack 20 sleepers in a night. The squad is also responsible for sleeper replacement and maintenance of the tunnel drains. During the packing process, a constant check is kept to make sure that, as well as being packed level and true, the track still leaves the minimum clearance needed between the train and the tunnel walls. But by far the loneliest job is that of a line walker. With only a paraffin pressure lamp for company, he must walk his length of track every night, driving home loose rail fastenings and looking for any rail faults. Lighting in the tunnels is never a problem. Power is available on the T-irons and telephone wires that run along the tunnel wall. These electricians, inspecting the condition of power cables, simply hang a light at whatever point they require it.
That looks okay. Cable's dry now too as well. I do. Knock off a tea now.
Water seepage into the tunnels is a constant problem, and pumps such as these are placed at strategic points round the circle to keep the tunnels dry.
Myself and two men, we go around each night, brush the station, and then we hoist down the station. And the tiles, get brushes for the tiles, wash down the tiles, and then marks, we'll get Thompson's cleaners to clean the marks off, and booking office windows, to clean the booking office windows. We do our station each night and just continually move around all the time. And there's another squad, they come 7 stations behind us. There are actually 2 station cleaning squads.
By 5 o'clock in the morning, while most of the city slumbers on, the maintenance men have returned to the surface, the track work complete and ready for another 18 hours of traffic. The green staff arrive to sign on for the early shift, and the drivers sign out their equipment, ready for the first train of the day.
Hello? All right? Yes, thanks. Right. I'm likely to get thrown out of the union if I'm up here praising her for me. But on behalf of the lads in the shop, I want to wish Mr. Hamilton a long and happy retirement. As he said, it hasn't been all amicable. I think you'll appreciate that. It has never. But the fact is that we've got a job to do in here. It's somebody said it was a travelling museum, and far from taking it, we didn't take that with any amusement at all. In fact, we were a wee bit annoyed about that situation because it works. The system works. The fact is that it no longer makes a profit because of the fact that the centres of population that it used to serve have all been demolished, and it's only when they get built up that it will start to prove itself a viable project.